Well, now freshly back from fairly disastrous results from my 1997 D4C SE with the PE nozzle, let's go back a few years to 1993. And let's go to the, I guess some people call it a PN1. This is a rectangular nozzle, and the model number is R4375C. And I've got a carpet selector way down here to red, it's on top, and I've shoved it all the way over to low to get a maximum airflow from this square nozzle with good brushes and brand new beater strips of 41 CFM. And I believe Thomas Rechtenwald wanted me to do the rainbows, and he also had a question of the music. The one music track that I've used for the first, I think 4, it's called Nimbus, and actually who found it for me was Miko from Vacuum Tests, but I also used one time alternate, and I guess he didn't like that as well. I would probably agree, I just didn't want everybody to get bored listening to the exact same track over and over again, however fitting it may be. Alright, let's go ahead and get some flour down. See if this higher airflow, older, supposedly less sophisticated nozzle does. Hint, hint. Maybe it'll do better. Let's find out. And get some underneath the carpet. That's plenty. All right. Away we go. Well, yes. Just because somebody makes something that's newer and fancier, has some more features to it and doodads, doesn't necessarily mean that it's better. So this rectangular older nozzle definitely does a better job. I am not seeing the kind of oval circle of white on the top. You can obviously see what's on the concrete, and you can see a white edge right here. So let's lift up and see. Well, it did the same thing as the PE nozzle did. It basically clogged the pores down here. Yeah, see it coming off? It was unable to suck it through the medium pile carpet, and obviously it smashed a bunch of stuff around there. So time to get my Riccar 8850 to go and clean that up. But that was pretty revealing. So the older one does a better job. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.